Alright guys, I'm over at Kathy and George's house. We're going to do a replacement of a furnace and an AC here. So we'll pull this 90% efficient furnace out. We're going to pull the coil out, and then you can see how the supply plenum's built right there. I got all the dimensions on that. So I should be able to get a 21-inch system to meet up with that. Refrigerant lines can stay. We'll reuse those. They're all properly sized. Our flue pipe, you can see there's been some work done on it here. Somebody cut off the intake. So what we're going to do is rerun all new flue pipe from here up to the ceiling and out. Apparently they had a lot of intake problems, and that's why they cut the flue pipe apart here. So we'll just run all new flue pipe. If we can check it and make sure we got proper flow through it, then we can possibly just cut it up here at one of these elbows and tie back into the existing. Let's see, new furnace, new April Air media cabinet. We'll do a new return drop and get that sized properly for the system. Gas line looks good. We can reuse that. There's a humidifier installed, well, partially installed on the back. It's a 700 humidifier. It's been installed, but it's never been actually hooked up properly. So they haven't used it since they had it installed by Joe Schmo. So we'll most probably be able to reuse that existing humidifier. New humidistat on the return drop. Over here is the breaker panel. Where we might run into some issues. It's a Sylvania load center, and we got a double 30 amp breaker for the outdoor unit is what it's marked in here anyway, up there at the top, the green one, double 30 amps. There's another 50 and a 60 amp breaker in here as well. Not quite sure what all those are. That should be everything down here in the basement. All right, here's our outdoor unit. I don't think we'll be replacing this. It's only 2 years old. It's from 2016, or 3 years old now, I guess I should say. But here's our intake and exhaust. We'll probably end up, yeah, we will definitely end up changing that around from what they got currently. We may have to just patch those holes and move everything over a little bit, because they got quite a bit of stuff all crammed into one little spot. But that should be everything for out here.